Ladies and gentlemen, with this we move into our first solo session, a sharing of stories, opinions, learnings and outcomes. And this first solo session will be presented by Mr. Bhavin Thurakia, co-founder and chief executive officer of Zeta. This solo will focus on one solution, one cloud, the effective way to make CRM and loyalty programs productive for consumers and merchants. With multiple loyalty cards, coupons, offers and cashback schemes, their management, their tracking, their utilization, and very especially the necessity to download multiple apps can be quite an exasperating and cumbersome process, both for the merchant establishment as well as for the consumer. How then can all this be streamlined in a more effective, more efficient, and more pleasurable experience? Please put your hands together and welcome on stage Mr. Bhavin Thurakia.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much. So I'm part of this organization called Zeta. Zeta is actually part of a larger group called DirectEye. I've been a serial tech entrepreneur for all my life, the last 18 years. We run 11 different companies, and Zeta is kind of our latest venture. Zeta is operating in the payment space, and we have many different products and services. The one that I'm here to talk to you about today is actually our cashback and loyalty stamps program. The program is essentially to completely digitize cashbacks and loyalty for merchants, big retail, mid-sized retail, small retail, etc., and make it all available on a smartphone, right? Just a quick introduction to the company. Zeta is part of the DirectEye group. We're a $400 million enterprise with 1,500 employees worldwide, incorporated in 1998, and we have tons of different businesses. These are sort of all the businesses that we operate across the globe. So let me get to the crux of the presentation. The objective here is we're here to essentially increase your repeat visitors. As merchants and retailers, how do you sort of increase your repeat visitors, right? And we'll focus on two main aspects. There are tons of other features that I'll cover also in the presentation, but cashbacks and loyalty stamps. So essentially, this is what Zeta's product looks like. It's a smartphone app that your customers would download, and they will essentially get various digital versions of your plastic loyalty card, or what we call Zeta Cloud Card, within the app. And in that card, you can actually see sort of the amount of cashback that they've earned till now, loyalty stamps that they've earned till now, and spend it at your respective stores. So basically, the way closed-loop cashback works is customer visits your store, and then at your store or from your central office, you can actually send all these customers, you can communicate with them, you can send them cash back. So you send them, let's say, 200 rupees or 100 rupees or 500 rupees in cash back, depending on sort of the spend that they've made at your store. In order to spend that cash back, so this is closed loop cash back, meaning they can only spend this cash back at your store. So then they return back to your store, spend that cash back, and then sort of the whole cycle repeats. So the objective of the product is to generate repeat visitors who keep coming back to your store and generating more business for you. So the way the product works is extremely easy. Let's talk about the various phases of the product. First is issuance. How do you give your customer this cash back so that it automatically appears in their mobile phone in the way that I showed that to you? So one approach that we support multiple different approaches. The first approach that we support is at your store, you can distribute these QR code coupons. We'll print them and give them to you. Extremely simple. The customer simply takes this coupon. If he doesn't have the app, the customer can download the app because the instructions are on the coupon. If the customer has the app, then he just has to scan the QR code, and he will immediately get cash back. So if I go to, let's say, a Domino's, for instance, I'll get a coupon from Domino's. Instead of just a paper coupon with an offer, it's actually got a QR code on it. I've got the Zeta app on my cell phone. I scan the QR code, and now I have 200 bucks in Domino's cash that I can spend at any Domino's outlet across the country. The other approach that you can use is you can actually issue this cash back from your central office. So if you're Domino's, again, let's say you're in your central office, you get this web-based dashboard. From this web-based dashboard, you can upload a file that comprises of all the mobile numbers of all the customers who visited your store, let's say in the last 1 week or last 24 hours. And the system will automatically then send them whatever denomination of cash back you want to send to those customers, right? And then what happens, so there's a lot of engagement. I mean, our objective was to create something that was 10 times better than your existing sort of loyalty programs and sort of offline programs, etc. So there are lots of interesting things that you can do once this program becomes digital. So let's say that you've sent cash back to thousands of your customers. Each of them is going to see a message that says that, okay, you've received $200 in cash back. Please visit a Domino's store to spend it, or please visit a Burger King store to spend it. The cashback also has an expiry date that you've configured. So you can say this cashback grant expires in, say, 30 days. And so customers will then get reminders every 5 or 7 days saying that, okay, you have $200 lying in your Burger King cashback card. Why don't you go and spend it at a Burger King store? It's going to expire in the next 21 days. It's going to expire in the next 14 days. It's going to expire in the next 7 days. So automatically, the system is consistently reminding your customers to come back to your store and spend that cash back. For the customer to spend this at your store, it's actually a very easy process. They just open the app and they select your store and select the amount of cash back they want to redeem. And they essentially, at your store, this integrates with your existing POS terminal. So I'll explain, in a detailed session, I can explain to you guys how this would work. But there's no additional software or hardware or systems required at your store to collect this cash back from the customer. Similarly, the exact same way that you saw for issuing cashbacks, you can also issue what are called loyalty stamps. A lot of stores run a loyalty stamps program where for every visit, you give a loyalty stamp to your customer. And they also feature in the customer's card. So for instance, out here as an example, if I visited, let's say, Domino's 5 times, they would give me, for each time I visit, they give me 1 slice as a loyalty stamp. And then there are rewards associated with that, right? So I can actually redeem those rewards. So if I collect, let's say, 10 slices, I can get something free. If I collect 20 slices, I get something else free. So you're rewarding a customer to constantly come back to your store. Each time they visit your store, they automatically get a loyalty stamp in their smartphone inside the app. And then when they've collected a certain number, the app can remind them to spend it at your store, and they can come and sort of redeem stuff at your store, right? So the whole sort of offline process is completely digitized on your customers' smartphones, and you can now sort of push cashbacks and loyalty stamps to your customer base. As I said, this integrates directly with your in-store POS. We'll explain that in sort of further detail. So this is not where it ends, right? Once you've got these customers who've got the app and have got your loyalty card in a digital version inside the smartphone, you can now communicate with them. Besides just cashbacks and loyalty stamps, we have a module called Engage. Through Engage, you can actually send custom messages to your customers. It could be a new promotion that you're running. It could be a new festival offer. Let's say you opened a new store. So you can actually compose a message, attach videos and images, and you can even define that, let's say I want to send a message to all customers who have shopped in my store in the last 7 days and live within a 2-mile radius or 2-kilometer radius from this particular store in Thane. You can customize exactly who that message goes out to, and every one of those customers will then get a immediate instant message with your image and your whatever message that you sent across on their smartphones, and they can sort of interact with that, or sort of engage with that message. That's not all. We have another interesting capability. These are all the capabilities that are possible once you sort of convert a cashback or loyalty program to sort of a digital form. So another interesting feature is what we call proximity prompting. And this, again, relates back to your cashback and loyalty stamps. So now picture a customer. Let's say I am a Burger King customer, and I have Burger King cashback and loyalty points inside my Zeta app. So the app automatically detects whenever I'm near a Burger King store. And so it'll basically, if I happen to be within 500 meters of a Burger King store, or let's say Domino's is an example. So if I happen to be within 500 meters of a Domino's store, I'll automatically get a notification on my phone that says that you have $200 in cashback lying in your Domino's loyalty card. Why don't you go and spend it? The Domino's store is just 2 minutes walking distance from where you are. So we can actually now prompt the customer based on where they are to sort of now walk into your store and engage with you and spend that sort of loyalty stamp or cashbacks, right? Similarly, we take this one level ahead and make this really interesting. So we have something called competitor proximity prompting. So let's assume that you're Domino's and you've deployed this app for your customer base. Now when your customer walks into a Pizza Hut, we can actually prompt them saying that, well, you could have saved $200 if you had gone to a Domino's instead because you have $200 in cashback lying in your Domino's card, right? So because there's a smartphone device and we have capability to sort of sense, geofence users and figure out where they are. We can do lots of interesting things with the loyalty, with the cashbacks and the loyalty stamps program. Obviously, the system comes with sort of comprehensive reports, so you get sort of various geo maps that show you how each of your stores are performing. You get maps that show you sort of which part of the city your users are actually visiting a particular store from, and so on and so forth. That essentially summarizes the entire program in a nutshell in terms of sort of some of the quick features and elements. We have a booth right across this this conference area, so right opposite this this hall. And there's a ton of people out there that can actually demonstrate the product and share with you details and so on and so forth. We're right now at a pilot stage, so anybody who has, as a restaurant or as a retailer, if you have X number of outlets across the country or city, we'll pilot this with you, test it out with a few thousand customers, show you how many of them are actually coming back to your store to spend those loyalty points and cashback amounts, etc. And then based on that, work with you to sort of enhance these programs to really convert and engage with your customer base in a significantly, more sort of smarter way in the digital age, right? So this is the future, and thank you very much. If anybody has questions, happy to answer them right now. Thank you. Yeah. No, currently we're using GPS. Yes, so it's not a, let's put it this way, the expectation was to, so the question was how do we do proximity prompting if an individual's GPS is off. As of today, we don't do proximity prompting if the individual GPS is off or not functioning. GPS does tend to, when I say GPS, geolocation does tend to use Wi-Fi, GPS, and a bunch of other sort of approaches. So whichever one works, we end up using that anyways for now. Beacons would require physical deployment of beacons in every single store. And so that's not something that we currently do. Over time, as and when that becomes prevalent, we will utilize those approaches also. Not necessarily. Again, it depends on trends. Yeah. So in metro cities, for instance, a lot of people do tend to keep their GPS on for guidance and navigation, etc. You also have this thing called coarse GPS, though that might not work very well for proximity prompting. But where you don't get a significant, you don't get actual accurate location by, let's say, meters, etc. But you tend to get a general, neighborhood kind of GPS tracking, which doesn't consume much battery either. So one could do interesting things with that. But right now, that's the way the feature works, just to clarify.
Why is it called Zeta?
Just a catchy name that's short and easy to remember. Any other questions? Yeah. There are three approaches. So can it work without POS integration was the question. Firstly, it doesn't require any integration. It works with your existing POS without integration. But it can also work if you don't have a POS or you don't have an EDC terminal, etc. So it can work on smartphones, tablets, on your existing POS or EDC terminal, or using a special token device that we supply to you, or on a regular feature phone also. So there are n number of approaches depending on what the retailer has at their store.
Hi, I have a question. Do we need a minimum number of outlets to just
do the pilot? No, not at all. For the pilot, it could just be one outlet, and we'll work with you depending on, what kind of products you sell. Yes.
Hi. Are you running B2B or just B2C?
Well, our product is B2B because our customers are retailers.
Right.
They obviously, yes, so it's kind of B2B2C in the sense that the app is downloaded by the consumer, but it actually is for the purpose of interacting with the merchant that we engage with. So we engage with the merchants.
Suppose I'm running an app and I want to tie up with you as a customer loyalty program. Is that possible?
Let's discuss offline. I actually don't know specifics, but we'd be happy to discuss what the possibilities are.
Thank you.
Could you tell us a bit about your Direct Eye group? You said you're part of the Direct Eye group.
Yeah.
So what is that about? Is it international? Which is
So it's a parent brand. We have 11 different companies. I started the main group about 18 years ago. They're all tech companies. They operate in different spaces, including web hosting, domain names, online advertising, domain registry services, communications, and payments. So Zeta is one of the company within the group. The group as a whole has, as I said, 1,500 employees across 8 different offices worldwide. So in India, we have offices in Bombay, Bangalore, and Delhi. Abroad, we operate in Dubai, China, LA, New York, Austin, and a few places in Europe. Is one of our companies, yes. I'm sorry. I started off in India, yes, that is correct. Thanks, thank you. So I'm around anyways, right opposite out here, and you see my entire team in yellow t-shirts right behind you. They'll all be sort of available also right outside this, enclosure. Right opposite is the Zeta booth. So please feel free to catch us, and if you guys are interested, as anybody, just a show of hands, by the way, how many of you are retailers that are running actual outlets? Okay, so if any of you guys are interested in doing a pilot for CloudCard and loyalty stamps, please catch us. Thank you. Thank you very much.